What are you doing the last week in April? Fellow Toastmasters, you must join us for the District 50 conference, online and in person, the last week in April. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix, and in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. But I didn't do it alone. I had great coaches and I put in a lot of effort. I'm just a guy who used the tool of Toastmasters in a really efficient way to become unforgettable. How about you? Join us for this conference. We're gonna have so much fun. Early in the week, we're gonna do it online. The contest will happen online virtually. April 23rd, 25th, and 26th. Watch the contest, experience the contest right from your home. And if you're into the business meeting, they're gonna have a special business meeting online virtually, April 27th and 28th. And then join us in person, woohoo, for the actual live conference. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna reconnect. It's been so long. Join us. I was invited to be one of the keynote speakers, but you've got 4 keynote speakers. On Friday night, I'm gonna do a special humor workshop. Humor 101, how to get laughs even if you don't think you're funny. We'll also have a keynote speaker after that, Del Harris. Join us Friday night, have some fun, reconnect, and rest up, because Saturday we're gonna go even deeper. I'll start the conference with a brand new keynote you've never seen before called 17 Minutes to Your Dream, based on a brand new book that I have coming out. You're gonna get some insights how to get the breakthroughs you need as a leader or a speaker to become the person you dream of being. We'll also have your golden girl, Lark Doley. She is gonna be your keynote speaker at lunchtime. She is amazing. I've known her for years and I sit and take notes and I'm just inspired every time she speaks. And then we'll also have later on, Monica Rose will be one of our keynote speakers as well. But join us at the Sheraton McKinney for this special district conference. It's been years. Join us. Let's come on down and have some fun for the roundup. I will see you in McKinney, Texas. Join us. Click on the link below and save your seat.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.